What's this?
Front entrance. It means the main door or entryway to a building or house. Example: the front entrance was decorated with flowers for the holiday season. This is a front entrance.
What's this?
Steps. It means a series of surfaces for walking up or down to reach a different level. Example: she climbed the steps to the front porch with her groceries. These are steps.
What's this?
Shutter. It means a movable cover or screen for a window, often used for protection or decoration. Example of again, they close the shutters to keep out the intense afternoon sun. This is a shutter.
What's this?
Apartment buzzer, US. Door buzzer, UK. It means a device used to alert residents of a visitor, typically in an apartment building. Example: she pressed the apartment buzzer and waited for someone to let her in. Door buzzer, UK. It means a device similar to an apartment buzzer, used to signal a visitor's presence at a door. Example: the door buzzer sounded, alerting the residents to a delivery. This is an apartment buzzer. This is a door buzzer.
What's this?
Apartment block, US. Block of flats, UK. It means a multi-story building containing multiple residential units. Example thus, the new apartment block downtown had modern amenities and a gym. Block of flats, UK. It means a building similar to an apartment block, containing multiple residential flats. Example, and they lived in a block of flats near the city center. This is an apartment block. This is a block of flats.
What's this?
Porch light. It means a light fixture on or near a porch, used to illuminate the area at night. Example: the porch light automatically turned on at dusk for safety. This is a porch light.
What's this?
Bus stop. It means a designated place where buses stop to pick up or drop off passengers. Example: she waited at the bus stop for the morning commute. This is a bus stop.
What's this?
Street light. It means a light on a pole used to illuminate streets at night. Example: the street light flickered, casting a soft glow on the sidewalk. This is a street light.
What's this?
Sash window. It means a window with one or more movable panels that slide vertically or horizontally. Example: the old house had sash windows that were difficult to open. This is a sash window.
What's this?
Attic. It means a space or room just below the roof of a house, often used for storage. Example: they stored old furniture and boxes in the attic. This is an attic.
What's this?
Burglar alarm. It means a security system that detects unauthorized entry and alerts occupants or authorities. Example, the burglar alarm went off when someone tried to break in. This is a burglar alarm.
What's this?
Grass. It means a plant with narrow leaves commonly grown as a lawn or ground cover. Example, the grass in the front yard needed mowing every week. This is grass.
What's this?
Porch. It means a covered platform at the entrance of a house, often used for sitting or relaxing. Example, they sat on the porch sipping lemonade in the evening. This is a porch.
What's this?
Trash can, US. Dustbin, UK. It means a container for holding waste or garbage, typically placed outside. Example, he took out the trash can for pickup every Tuesday. This is a trash can. Dustbin, UK. It means a container similar to a trash can used for holding rubbish. Example, she tossed the empty cans into the dustbin behind the house. This is a trash can. This is a dustbin.
What's this?
Sidewalk, US. Pavement, UK. It means a paved path alongside a street used by pedestrians. Example, kids drew chalk pictures on the sidewalk in front of the house. Pavement, UK. It means a paved surface for pedestrians, similar to a sidewalk alongside a road. Example, she walked her dog along the pavement every morning. This is a sidewalk. This is a pavement.
What's this?
Store window, US. Shop window, UK. It means a large window in a shop used to display goods for sale. Example, the store window showcased the latest fashion collection. Shop window, UK. It means a window in a shop, similar to a store window used for displaying products. Example, the shop window was decorated with festive lights for Christmas. This is a store window. This is a shop window.
What's this?
Bay window. It means a window that projects outward from a building, forming a bay in a room. Example, the bay window in the living room offered a great view of the garden. This is a bay window.
What's this?
Garage, it means a building or shed for housing vehicles, typically attached to a house. Example, he parked his car in the garage to keep it safe from the rain. This is a garage.
What's this? 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 Could you please describe the place where you live? What does it look like? And what do you like about it?
I live in a charming apartment block, or as some might call it, a block of flats, nestled in a quiet neighborhood. My home is part of a cozy building with a sturdy roof covered in neat rows of red tiles. From the attic, I can see the chimney with its decorative chimney pot, puffing out smoke on chilly evenings. A modern satellite dish is fixed nearby, ensuring I stay connected to my favorite shows while an antenna, or aerial, picks up local radio signals. A small dormer window juts out from the roof, letting light into the upper floor. The gutter runs along the edge, channeling rainwater away to keep the building dry. Every morning I step out through the front entrance, where the doorbell chimes softly when visitors arrive. For deliveries, I rely on the apartment buzzer, or door buzzer, to let me know someone's at the main gate. I walk down a few steps to check the mailbox where letters and packages await. The porch outside my door is my favorite spot to relax, with a bright porch light illuminating the area at night. The grass around the building is always neatly trimmed, adding a touch of green to the scene. Next to the porch, I keep a trash can or dustbin for waste, which I roll out to the sidewalk or pavement on pickup days. My apartment features a beautiful bay window that lets in plenty of sunlight, alongside a classic sash window that I slide open for fresh air. The shutters on the windows add a quaint charm and provide shade on sunny days. For safety, a burglar alarm is installed, giving me peace of mind. Outside, a nearby bus stop makes commuting easy, and the streetlight casts a warm glow over the pavement at night. Just down the road, shops with inviting store windows, or shop windows, display colorful goods that catch my eye. My garage houses my car, keeping it safe from the weather. This cozy, well-equipped home perfectly suits my lifestyle, blending comfort and convenience in every detail.
Fantastic work on keeping up with our English lesson today. I hope you found this story helpful and the new vocabulary interesting. If you're interested in preparing for the IELTS exam this year, you can also join our membership channel, where you can study for the exam alongside Kevin, share learning experiences and tips. We will regularly release exclusive videos for members, along with customized IELTS study plans. We look forward to having you join us. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, and happy learning.